Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to hide the checkbox on your Google Keep PC notes on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So, how to hide the checkbox on your Google Keep on your PC or computer? For an example, here I have a lot of things like Google, Take, Apple, Vivo, Poco, and late price. So I just need to change this to a normal notes. Just need to remove all the checkbox in the notes. For that, first step for select the node, you just need to remove it. Click on the three dot option, and here you have this option called hide checkboxes. Click on this, which actually turns this normal checkbox node into a normal node. So this is the way, or this is how you just change the checkbox node into a normal node, or you can just hide the checkbox on your any node on the Google Keep on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also a most beautiful day.